Yeah.
Did you stop?
Yeah, I'll just edit it out.
Just stop it.
Stop the clock.
And nothing gets me down. You got it tough. I've seen the toughest around.
This is my first mukbang presented here, and I have.
It's not explicit.
You know, my nephew here, Seamus, is going to be my partner in crime. All of you know the story with Pizza Hut made a big thing. And what were their names?
Carney Brothers, and they had a hut.
We have Hut to the Pizza Hut. What did we get? Yeah.
Pepperoni.
Oh, these are potatoes, melted cheese. How are those? Little jalapenos in there. I don't think you're not supposed to eat those yet. These are garlic knots.
They're bread.
Yes, but they're called garlic knots.
Bread. Garlic knots.
Knots, because they're not. And then for dessert, we're going to have some Cinnabons, little minis, and then of course some extra icing to go on top. Another dipping factor.
Smells good though.
Do you want a piece of pizza?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. So take a slice.
Italian
I think it was called Hut to the Pizza Hut.
I doctored mine up.
Okay.
I put a bunch of stuff on top of mine.
Very good.
To Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh my. Pepsi. Nice and good.
I can't live without flaxseed.
you can put it on the pizza. All right, so we open some blue cheese.
I think it'd be poison.
And we're gonna have trying these. These were those potatoes with cheese. Has a little hint of jalapeno.
I just wish the fast food places didn't use flour as much.
That's like blue cheese, yummy. And you can tell it's not like something that's just from the freezer. All right. Now, another dip.
Are you
marinara.
sure about that?
You think they're from the freezer? I don't think so.
I think
so.
it's all pre-made.
You want to try one of these with me?
Too much flour.
You can have one. These
Dr.
are
Andrew Wales said no flour.
knots. I think that's good. Seamus, try this. Come on. You're on vacation.
I already had one.
Oh, you did? Did you like it?
Too much flour.
You like too much bread? You can take half of this one.
Yeah, like it's just a bunch of bread.
Marinara sauce. The marinara sauce is warm.
I want to go give this to a homeless person and tell them to become a Catholic.
It's a starch.
Right.
Yeah.
It's a carb.
Yeah, carb. What was your favorite thing?
Oh, there's junk.
I think it was good. All right. Now, another flour. But I think this will be good. What do you think?
I just can't believe companies sell this to people and people buy it.
I was told I had another dipping sauce. No, that you cannot say that's not good.
I think this is just poisoning people.
You need to try the other dipping sauce.
Not if I want to be okay in the bathroom tomorrow.
I don't know what that one is.
But they shouldn't sell these for more than $1.
Go to Pizza Hut. I recommend these. Definitely recommend the Cinnabons. Maybe not get some of that extra stuff, but definitely get a Pepsi. You need a Pepsi to wash it down.
If you eat all this, you won't be going to the gym tomorrow.
True. So bye. Goodbye from Venice Beach.